I want to quit.
You want to quit your job?
Yeah.
Elizabeth, what has informed your decision to leave this company?
Lack of social life. I can't do anything on my own. Everything is just work centered. So it's about social life. I don't have a life outside this office. So I think the best decision for me is to quit.
Was that your resolution for the year 2025?
So it's not a resolution. I just sat down and I just realized I don't have time for my family, for my friends, just about work.
Okay, Elizabeth, I wish you knew what was in store for you for this year 2025.
Okay.
Now, what about we give you a car?
Good.
Not about the car.
Listen to me. We want to give you a car, and then we will also add your salary. What you are
Outstanding.
earning, you can even double. We liked your work from last year, and we want to double your salary, and so many other benefits that will come with it. So go think about it. Sawa sawa. Think about it again.
Enemy spotted.
Good morning, boss.
Yes, tell me, Lydia.
I want to quit.
You say you want to quit.
Yes, sir.
It's okay. So, I think what you'll do, just go to the HR, make sure you hand over all the documents, anything that you owe the company, and then the door is open. You can leave at your own time. I'm off for another meeting. So,
They ask you how you are, you just have to say
Can't
that
see
you're
the
fine
HR.
when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.